Do you want to make an extra $2.69 in September? Stay tuned to find out how. Join Team Pink and get an extra $2.69 in your paycheck. Team Pink has a prize total of $30,000 split between 1,150 members. You can get an extra $2.69 this month or an extra 6 cents per class. I'm part of Team Pink. Team Pink or get the out. To make an extra $4.44 in the month of September, join Team Green. Team Green has a total prize of $40,000. Split between 9,000 members. You can get an extra 9 cents per class. $4 not good enough? Try to make $7.14 with Team Yellow. They have a prize total of $50,000 split between 7,000 members. That's an extra 13 cents per PPT slot opened. Still want more? Join Team Blue and get an extra $12 this month. Team Blue has a prize total of $60,000 split between 5,000 members. Open 70 PPT slots and get an extra 17 cents per class. Sometimes when classes are over, I like to dress up as Meg. That's weird. I wish I didn't say that. Still not enough? Join Team Orange and win an extra $70,000 split between 3,000 people. That can give you an extra $23.33 this month, or an extra 28 cents per class. Make sure you take advantage of this awesome incentive from VIPKid this September.